Hi, kids! First, we take time for a brain break. Follow me. Sway like a tree. Time for a side stretch. Time for the other side. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Now our brains are strong and ready to learn. Let's go! Farms animals. It is a cow. It is a sheep. It is a goose. It is a horse. It is a chicken. It is a goat. It is a pig. It is a donkey. It is a duck. It is a rabbit. Dear little friends, today we learned about the wonderful farm animals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to stay updated with all our new content.